How to enable voice chat on Roblox PS5 or PS4? So what you need to do is just open your account on your computer, then click on the settings, then click on settings. Click on privacy and content restrictions. Here click on communication and then click on voice chat. Here make sure enable microphone is turned on. Just turn it on, check this box and then click on enable. Once you do this, check in your game. Just launch any game and check if your voice chat is working. Hopefully it will solve your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.